What you say, people? Back with a bang. This is the management, back with another video for you guys today. Now, of course, it is Saturday, and that means it is the weekend. And on this channel, the weekends where winners are made, the weekends where empires are built. So the topic of today's video is going to be 6 different niches that you can use to start making some money. So while you've got some more time this weekend, while you're not doing as much as you usually would be doing during the week, you can start looking into these niches and start looking into different ways into how you can start making yourself some extra few dollars or euros or pounds, whatever you may be, each and every weekend. And the good thing is with these niches, some are known, some are unknown. But either way, you can start looking into what suits you best, what you think will suit you best, start testing them out, try a few new different things, and overall, in the end, start looking to make yourself a little bit more money. But before we get to that today, the first thing I want to say is we have hit over 900 subscribers. We're at 905 subscribers, so that is great. All I can say is thank you guys. I appreciate it, more than you guys understand, but there's no special video or something for it. 900, it's amazing. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much. But that means you need to keep doing that. Keep liking these videos, keep subscribing to the channel if you're new around here. Keep commenting on these videos if you're new, if you've been around here, whatever you may be. Let me know your thoughts, let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you want me to check out your channel, all the good stuff. And overall, please make sure that you're sharing these videos with your friends. So now let's dive into the 6 different niches which are the topic of today's video. And let me start breaking them down so you guys have a little bit more information about each one of them. So the first one is cosmetic. So for those of you who don't understand what that is your makeup, your beauty items, your skincare, all that kind of stuff. All you need here is really a HD camera, a few different products you've tested out. You might want to set up a website and you're ready to start selling. Trust me, it's that easy. Many different people don't think about the cosmetic sector because it's obviously not talked about a lot. But think about the fact that, so many women all over the world, and some males of course, use, skincare products, use beauty products, use makeup, use all that kind of thing. To touch up their eyelashes, to touch up their cheeks, to change the color of their skin, whatever it may be. The cosmetic industry is booming. There's so much money to be made in the cosmetic industry. Now you guys may have heard, earlier this year, there was someone who made about, I think $1 million in about 8 minutes. I'm not sure exactly what she was selling, but it was to do with the cosmetic industry. Now, I'm not saying everyone's going to make $1 million in a few minutes, but what I am saying here is there is so much money to be made when it comes to people taking care of their skin and their beauty and their looks. If you're new to the game of making money, this weekend, start looking into some things you can do maybe when it comes to cosmetics. If you know a few different, skincare routines or some secrets when it comes to skincare or looking good, definitely advise you to start looking into how you can use that to your benefit, how you can use that to your advantage. Test out different kits. Try out different things. If you have your own kit that you've made or you've put some different products together, start looking and trying and testing new ways you can maybe monetize that. Like I said, I don't know too much about the skincare products, exactly what you can do, but what I am saying is you could easily set up a business, whether it's a local business, when you start selling stuff to people locally and you eventually turn that into a website, start selling online, or you could simply just start your own business online and start selling there. Run ads, get traffic there, get people to share it, spread the word. Whatever needs to be done, just try it out. But again, like I said, the cosmetic industry is not talked about a lot, but it's one you should definitely be looking at. 2, the travel industry. So the travel industry, of course, right now is not as booming as it would be, during your usual summer. But when it comes to travel, there's so many different ways you can monetize traveling. For example, one of the ways you probably don't think about is writing different reviews for, travel agencies, writing different reviews for different hotels, and you can get paid for that. You're probably shocked when I say that you can do that. For those of you who have traveled a lot, you'll know that if you give many hotels ratings for free, you can start going to the point where you show hotels what ratings you've done and start charging them $10, $20 for a simple review. It is that simple. Now, that's not the only way to monetize it. You can create a business of things that make travel easier. Whether it's maybe suitcase or something different, you've got to be creative with this thing. That portable pillow, whatever it's called, convenience pillow, I don't know what it is. You guys know what I'm talking about. The round thing that goes like this. That kind of thing is convenient, but it makes a lot of money. All you need to do is find simple ways to make people's traveling life a lot easier. Travel is, again, a big niche that, right now is a bit down, but people will always spend money when it comes to traveling. Whether it's their luggage, whether it's their suitcases, their bags, comfortable items, what they're going to use on a plane, all these kind of things that make life easier when it comes to traveling are there to be monetized. Start looking into the travel niche, start looking into ways you can monetize that. Again, just go on Google, go on YouTube, find out ways you can start making some money in the travel sector. 3, fitness. Now this requires, of course, some level of you having done some fitness. Unlike, beauty or maybe travel, fitness requires you to show that you've done something, whether it comes to weight loss, muscle gain, good diets, all that kind of thing. And it doesn't mean just, those people who are skinny or in shape. For those of you who went from thin to fat or fat to thin, whatever it may be, sorry if anyone's offended by any words, but you understand what I'm trying to say here. For those kind of people, there's a lot of potential success available in the fitness industry. And if you're not there yet, all it requires is maybe some, 6 to 8 months of constant consistency, some dedication of you being fit, going to the gym, being active, being out and about, doing stuff to make your life better, doing stuff to make your body look good. Health is, of course, very important, and that's why the fitness industry is booming. If it comes to, selling products, protein, creatine, weight gainer, mass gainer, weight loss pills, there are so many different things you can do when it comes to the fitness industry. For those of you who are very fit and in shape or always in the gym, I've seen multiple people sell fitness programs, multiple people be, personal trainers. Again, there's so much to earn in the fitness industry, but it's up to you to see how you would like to monetize that. Now, the good thing about the fitness industry is it's so broad. There's so many different things you can do, no matter what size you are, no matter who you are, no matter what you do. For example, I myself am pretty much in the fitness industry when it comes to smartwatches, because these are for tracking your health, seeing how much you're sleeping, the amount of steps you're taking, your heart rate, your blood pressure, what you're doing when it comes to your activities, your swimming, your sports, whatever it may be. I'm telling you, the fitness industry is so broad. So again, whether you're in the gym every day, whether you're just someone who likes to be out and about, whether you're a runner, whether you're a jogger, whether you're someone who's doing intense sports, fitness is a great industry for you guys to make some. 4, copywriting. Now, copywriting is something I love again because I'm someone who does online business and I realize how important copywriting is. Being able to tell a story, being able to use certain words, being able to describe things, to grab people's attention, to make people interested. Persuasive writing skills are something that doesn't get talked about enough. You can earn hundreds each and every week just purely off copywriting. The person I paid last summer to help me with copywriting for 1 single month was charging, a few $100 at that time. And the funny thing is, I was one of his first clients. Since then, in the last 15 months, his prices have almost doubled. Copywriting can make you so much money when you do it right. It's that persuasive writing, that skill of being able to convince people, change their frame of mind, grabbing people's attention, getting them interested in whatever you're selling. And the good thing about copywriting is you can simply learn it on the internet. You can learn it on Google, you can learn it on YouTube. Of course, it'll take a bit of practice so you can start learning how to sell, how to write, but copywriting is something that can make you so much money. And I'm talking here on the smaller scale. For those of you who are starters, who are beginners, this is more for you. For those of you who are experts when it comes to copywriting, you'll make thousands each and every week. There are people on the internet who are making tens of thousands each and every month purely off copywriting. Because when you can write in a persuasive manner, when you can start selling to people without them, even touching the product or seeing the product, that is how you can make businesses grow, but it's also how you can make some money for yourself. Being able to help businesses grow, increase their revenue, increase their sales, increase their profit, it's always going to make you money. Because you know how to write, you know the style of writing you use, you know how to grab people's attention. Like I said, get people to put their hand in their pockets, open up their wallet, put their credit card details in, and pay for whatever may be sold. Copywriting is a great, invaluable skill that you guys can take the time out to learn this weekend. 5, business. Now, this is very interesting because business is a wide range of things. When I say just business, it could be anything. It could be smartwatches, it could be fitness, it could be travel. Business is so many different things. What I'm really trying to say here is look into business. Type in anything about business on Google. I'm sure many of you guys have many different ideas, many different things you want to do. So this point is a bit different because, it's pretty much all the points wrapped into one. My point here is you guys need to try something new. Look into this weekend starting a business. The other day I talked about building your own thing. That is exactly what business is, building something for yourself. Business can come in so many different forms. It's a whole niche itself. When it comes to e-commerce, you can do things which are related to business. Even if it's just open up your own Instagram page and starting to post quotes about business. If it's open up your YouTube channel talking about business. Business comes in so many different forms, but people love to learn about business. So that's exactly why I've chosen business here. You can use business to make you some money. Business if it's conducting business, business if it's teaching about business, business if it's just talking about your experiences from business. Business in so many different forms, but it's out there, it's an option for you guys to make money. Now I'm not going to dive into business too much here because, like I said, business is something which kind of involves every single point here. Business as a topic, as a whole, is something everybody wants to know about. Even if people don't really talk about business directly, everybody is interested in business in some form. Everybody, I believe, has started a business or will start a business at some point in their life. Even if it's something small, like, buying something and selling it for more, trying out stuff on eBay. I'm pretty sure every single person I've met has tried some sort of business. You don't have to open up your whole business online and, create a shop and an online store and do all that. You don't have to go out on the street and go to the market, have your own stand there and sell something to have a business. Business has come in so many different forms. But again, business is a whole niche in itself where you can make yourself some money. Now, last but not least, number 6, Forex. Now, I left this to last because it's a very dodgy one. It's a very touchy subject because of people who create, pyramid schemes when it comes to Forex. But Forex itself, if you learn it in the right way, you can make money out of Forex. Now, it's a whole different niche because, again, it comes in different forms. People who want to teach Forex often use it as a pyramid scheme, like I said. But multi-level marketing is not what I'm talking about here. I'm talking about Forex itself. Trading foreign exchange, keeping your eye on those currencies. And the reason I've chosen to put it on this list here is because I've made money from Forex in the past. From 2 years ago up until beginning of last year, I did a lot of Forex trading. It took me time on my weekends, especially Sundays, to to read about Forex, to learn about Forex, to do all that kind of stuff, understand the different time zones, understand the different markets, understand different currencies, what the relationships were, all that kind of thing. But in this way, one of the best ways you can monetize it is just make a journal of your different patterns that you trade, giving people different information on the different trading sessions you trade. For example, the New York trading session, the London trading session. You guys can try those kind of things out. Once you've tried Forex, once you've learned Forex, when you study Forex, not only can you trade the currencies, but like I said, make journals and explain to people how exactly you made your money through Forex. Again, Forex is an interesting one because there are a lot of people who want to teach about Forex, who don't know about Forex, who make their money from teaching about Forex when they have not made money from Forex itself. But the most important thing here is if you learn about Forex, you can make money from Forex, and if you're a good enough person, you take the time to create your own guide or journal about Forex and what you've learned from Forex and what you've done in Forex, you can also make money off that. Forex is one of those niches that a lot of people don't like to talk about, a lot of people hate on because they've heard bad things, because they've experienced bad things. And I completely understand that. I've been in that situation before, I understand exactly what people are talking about. But multi-level marketing and pyramid schemes is not all what Forex is about. There's definitely ways to make money from Forex itself. So there are 6 different niches you guys can dive into this weekend and going forward. Start learning about them. Start taking time out of your day to do a bit of research on one of them. So if you're a girl who loves makeup, beauty, skincare, all that kind of stuff, start looking into ways you can use that to your benefit. If you're a guy who loves, business, start looking into business, start finding out ways you can monetize that in some form. If you're someone who travels a lot, again, travel sector is a huge sector, a lot of money to be made there. And the same goes for fitness. For those of you who love being in the gym, those of you who love picking up weights, being out and about, running, doing that kind of stuff. If you're active or sportive, definitely go and check out the fitness industry. And for those of you who don't like to do any of those kind of things, you like being at home, copywriting is just for you. Striking the emotional appeals of a reader, making them understand why this product is going to change their life, attention-grabbing headlines, using sentences, examples, paragraphs, words, grabbing people's attention, adding values to people's lives. There are many different options for you guys all out there. It's just up to you guys to go out and test them. But like I always say, this channel is for highly driven people, high aspiring people, but it's up to you guys to always put in the work. You can listen to me talk all day, but it's up to you guys to use your weekend wisely to put yourself ahead. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you guys actually check out those 6 different niches and maybe start looking to one this weekend to push yourself forward. As always, please also make sure to check out those links in the description. We've got cryptocurrency, stocks, affiliate marketing, my smart company, and also a free online guide to business. So that's that first link in the description. Check that one out. Again, thank you guys for 900 subscribers. It's been great. But that's it, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I got what I'm making. You got niches to be checking out. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.